right, so Nate has just hooked up the tree to the truck. He's gonna pull it now. Yeah, it's tight. Okay. Okay. No, that was a branch from up above. A smaller one. But yes, movement. Yeah, it's working. Yep, it's working for sure. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay.
Okay?
The more it gets to this angle, the more we can drag the whole log right out eventually.
Yeah, it's working really well.
I've logged with a Chevy before.
Keep going. You're yeah! That was so awesome. That was so great. That was so awesome. I'm really excited. It's hung up a little bit still in one, but
How about that dangly branch is still ready to fall, isn't it? Yikes.
yeah.
That would skewer you like a chicken skewer. Like a skewer. Like fondue.
You're crazy. All right, let's get to work.